nwanne m ekene m unu. Biko, I have something to say concerning this Okwuluola case. Ebe ọ galụ na Umuaka n'Imo State ewee tọlịa. Now, if others ndị na-abụlọ ndị Igbo anyị pụta bịa sị that ihe Okwuluola na-ekwu na-asị, I won't be much angry, you understand? But his own people, we know who Okwuluola is. In Kablo, that now another person. I'm not saying that someone cannot lie you, no. That Okwuluola cannot lie, no. But for somebody be a sigi that now, even up to now, you cannot shock. Then Okwuluola will be a sigi that. Do you think that no a jollof rice in Madigeji be na catch cruise online? Okwuluola gafe go that kind of thing. If you sigi that na tolia, ne ote street ne yafo. You self, you won't have mouth to even say it exactly the way it is. Like you can just say kochata and kemeru side, kochata and join up together. But I know that what Okwuluola said, Oyebe did the full gist. Because the way he's even saying that thing, then Palace of Justice, where Potasi that na Okwuluola is lying. That he's lying, Niyoku. That near Okwuluola could not blow this way. Now this is another thing. That means you were there, or maybe you have people that is within them. Now gwagi otiditiniswe, gagwagi otiditiniswe me. That is when they now gwagi what happened within those people Bolu Okwuluola. That is what you are trying to say. Since you said that in Okwuluola kurubasi, that's nobulo tosime, that means no way ye when at the camp na wagi nemen. Because you non be yageji. Oh my kind of system Nigeria that work. If not, all these people be say that this is not exactly how it happened, especially Penken Palace of Justice. It can bugo ya so that you come and testify or the details to a Megan or the details to a because all you the miabu in a be on social media, especially in the why am ye in this kind of hatred one no. And they are going that Ndi why not all, but 80 or 70%, 75% of Ndi why very, very wicked and heartless. Una they use akon uche for once. Una foot go you bapital online, be na drag one ya woke or ya was capital online, but it's always all about Ndibo. Awa betata Ndibo, ayon shino noka Ndibo, emenka Ndibo. Una da ndi content creator Ndibo, ifela de moon. Ken, I thought that after Kega Chalonga na Senegal, that Nishi Jigo, but it seems like in Aje Boyekwegi, no way something, injection, nisi brain, ana a crack, on a touch is more than before. Just look at what you are saying about Okwuluola. I'm so ashamed of you. I'm so ashamed of you, honestly. Amam that's na like after everything that happened, even Loze Usukukwe that's na he encountered such a thing last year. All these people they pour this things. You think that's na ha just no bring your one kind talk like that. This is reality, something that happened to them. And instead of you to be thanking God that now one nigga working Natal alive with his own life, that no way he media, because this is the handwork of God for him to blind them and also put confusion within the midst so that they won't touch this guy. Way better. Instead of you to give thanks to God for his life, Ibiana said that no blue time goes me cause Ken, shame on you. Shame on you. You are the amam utinge shitsi about na ibu the akwefogi amalom ibu poison na de rudi mad na for before ya ha wo. Let me just describe it that way. You are somebody ogabu obo like an ibu poison ona ba madile once on ikuki yourself ebugo the person ikukugi ebugo the person. Among all the content creators, Ndi will be na Arabic show her need disgrace online. Shame on you people. Because unge golden tiye madi jono we who basalo Okwuluola. Mana I'm wishing you that email Okwuluola times 100 so that you will go there and come back and testify that new Okwuluola could be zoku. I wish you that same thing now. You feel like in Okwuluola na that thing will happen to you so that you will know how it feel to for somebody it all mad oya hanata. I wish you that in Melo Okwuluola times 100 is not. I'm not praying bad prayer about you, but for you to open your mouth say that nasi wish you that melo crawler, so that you come and tell exactly how your own happened. That is all I have to say. Biko nu get this video na subscribe or comment my share on your notification. Thank you so much and God bless you. Bye.
Igbo, I am not doubting you that they didn't kidnap you. I'm not doubting you, but that your story looks somehow, it's not clear that they drop you. I'm not working in a motor. So I'm not working in a motor. I'm not working in a. They didn't put you inside car. They put you inside Okada. Okada they blew you. Two gunmen and all. Then the rest one no they blew her. They didn't fold your eyes. You got to that place. They unfold your eyes. You saw thousands of people. They were not there carrying military zone. Then they carried you. Go do POS again. My brother, I'm not mocking you. The story is not clear. Maybe you had issue. You had some encounter, but only the way you narrated that story, me, it's not how it happened. I'm telling you the truth. You got for 2000, and people were videoing. You didn't video, but people were there. We are videoing. Why haven't we seen the video all this while? And since people were videoing with the internet, we know that you didn't video. From there, everybody know they recognize you. They still one name. If they like, I'm not saying you are lying. I'm sorry. If you are talking me, let's understand what you are saying. We see, I've been in Alabeke before and I read psychology. I'm a member of Natash and member of Natash. Story can get K-leg, bro. Only K-leg. People get POS. I book one also. Give you moto. Machine. How you can't give them moto? Apply for them, show them where security moto. They basically book regime moto. Let's work at a book. Anyway, my brother, I'm sorry for your experience. You will not experience that again.
Ndị be anyị na-anụgo n'ihe Ken Palace of Justice kwuru. Ihe o mee kịta ọdụn ka ọ na-ama Okwuluola ka ọ na-esympathize Okwuluola. Achọrọ m ka ijila akọ n'uche gị wee tụlee gbasara ihe anụ Ken Palace of Justice kwuru. Ndị Igbo anyị wabi ihe na-eme ụwa anyị. Ndị Igbo, I repeat it, anyị wabi ihe na-eme ụwa anyị. Anyị were obi n'azụ ihe mee nwanne anyị kama anyị ga-asị thank God that no ya survive with this thing. Bịa na-achọ ya ọchị indirect way. Ọ bụ that na Okwuluola na-egbupụ ya aka, God forbid, ma ọ n'owote si mee ya something injure ya. That is when Ken, ndị otu Ken, we accept that na ihe ọ na-ekwu bụ eziokwu mana ya dị. Ebe Ken na-esila ya wee si that na ihe Okwuluola na-ekwu na-asị ọgọdọ ga-eru oke ebe o ruru ịbịa mana nsogbu adịrọ ya gaziere ọnụ.